Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty in 5 minutes chart, we'll see what happened today. So it has opened a very good gap up today and it was near our resistance. It has not touched the resistance, but from that level we have seen a very good profit booking. This was our CPR. It was average CPR today. So it has reversed from lower CPR range and it was traded in CPR level only, and in second off we have seen a breakout from the resistance level and it has made a very good high, and Nifty has closed with 150 points positive and it made a new high of 19,564. Whereas Bank Nifty in 5 minutes chart opened very good gap up and in early hour it has made a doji candles. So the market was confusing. We have seen a very good sell off and it tried to retrace from the yesterday's lower level and it traded in this range only, and there was some profit booking in second off also and a huge cash buying we have seen at last 30 minutes. So Bank Nifty has closed with 154 points positive. Now let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player planned now. We'll follow by FII. In options input they were holding 3 lakhs of put buying contract. Today they have unwinded 97,000 contracts. So they have 2.19 lakhs of put buying, and in call they were holding 2.84 lakhs of call buying contract. So they have unwinded 70,000 contracts. So they have 2.14 lakhs of call buying. Equal number of contract they are holding now, call versus put in net basis. It means they have hedged their positions in options. In future index 70% long, 30% short. They have increased 1% long, reduced 1% short. So in cash flow they have purchased for 2,636 crores. So see, FI have hedged their positions in F&O and going long in cash market. Anyhow, FI is super bullish. Client are the retailers input. They were holding 3.39 lakhs of put writing contract. They have unwinded 98,000 contract today, still holding 2.41 lakhs of put writing, and in call they were holding 1.96 lakhs of call writing. Today they have added 2 lakhs contract, so they have 3.99 lakhs, almost 4 lakh contract of call writing. So double the quantity of call writing versus put writing. It means they are very much bearish in options. Future index 43% long, 57% short, and in cash market they have sold for 450 crores. So see, the view of client is very much bearish. Promoters input they were holding 21,000 contract in put writing. Today they have increased 834 contract only, so they have 22,000 put writing, and in call they were holding 88,000 of call writing contract. Almost they have unwinded their call writing contract and made a fresh call buying of 1.85 lakhs of call buying. Super bullish they are in options. In future index 40% long, 60% short, so they have unwinded longs. They have booked the profit on long side, reduce the long, increase the short by 6%. It means they have hedged their positions negative in futures, positive in options, and going long in cash market. Purchase for 499 crores in the cash market. So promoter view is super bullish. DI have sold for 772 crores in cash market. So the cash flow was 1912 crores positive value. Put call ratio Nifty for coming week they are at 1.23 and Bank Nifty is at 0.82. So Nifty is positive, Bank Nifty is neutral to positive. A good buying has to come in Bank Nifty. Whereas for monthly Nifty is at 1.33, Bank Nifty is at 0.95. Still super bullish for the month end. Now let's check the change in OI. Nifty for the coming week expiry that will be on 20 July. So see, we have seen a good number of put writing from 19,300 to 19,550, and we have seen a good number of call writing unwinding at 19,500. So huge put writing we can see for this weekly expiry at 19,400 to 19,500. Major support comes around 19,500 only. So super bullish we can see as per the change in OI the Nifty is. So Bank Nifty for coming expiry, we have seen a huge number of put writing addition from 44,500 to 44,900. Meanwhile, we have seen unwinding of put writing of 45,000 also, and people carry forwarding short straddle of 44,900. A major resistance we can see at 45,000 only. So Bank Nifty is slight weak while comparing to Nifty as per the change in OI. Now let's check the price action. Nasdaq in 1 day time frame. See how bullish the US market is. Nasdaq, they are trading by 74 points positive, and Dow is trading positive by 72 points. Gift in Nifty is trading positive by 63 points, and India VIX, it is at 10.68, so it has crashed 2 percentage. India VIX is at very lower levels now, 10.6, because anytime the India VIX can go higher, so the option writers will turn into losses because the premium will shoot up at that time. So Nifty in 1 day time frame, it has made a hammer kind of a candle, super bullish candle it has made. So we can consider this as a breakout from new higher levels only if it sustain above 19,550 on Monday. Then we can see a very good rally also. As for the price action, it is bullish only. Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame, see, we have seen continuously a red candle closing and it is consolidating only. So today we have seen a buyers have won versus the sellers. This candle stating a doji kind of a candle. This candle also represent there could be a reversal from here. One good green candle from here, the market will turn super positive. All the sellers will trap here if we can see a very good green candle closing in coming week. Then we can see a very good high in Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty is consolidating only. We have to wait for the makeout or breakout range. So mark the algo point. Nifty support comes around 19,500 and resistance comes around 19,630. Bank Nifty support comes around 44,600 and resistance comes around 44,980. So see, as per the open interest analysis, the data is super bullish. We will not think of shorting. We will think of going long only when we get a very good retracement or in any dip, but blindly we cannot go long at any moment. We will wait for some retracement or some dip, then we can think of going long. That's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis, so please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.